Yeah! I can do it. The pink cocktail I'm gonna make today, let's call it pink grapefruit sour. Actually, it's the version of Paloma sour, but made not with tequila because I don't like tequila, made with gin. And also for this kind of cocktails, I use fresh squeezed grapefruit juice. I think it's the best. I know this recipe from a very famous New York restaurant, and I think it was first restaurant that start to make this like very natural cocktails using freshly squeezed juice. Like basically they squeeze it in front of you before they make a cocktail, and for me it was shock. When I think about cocktail, I was like, oh, it's like what, cranberry vodka or something, but this way of making cocktails changed everything. Believe me, if you're gonna try this, you're not gonna be back to cranberry vodka again. I must warn you, it is a lot of work with your hands, but it is worth it. So we're gonna start with grapefruits. I'm gonna cut them and I'm going to squeeze them into the cocktail mixer. Just right away, like super fresh. You didn't try anything fresher than this juice. Okay. I used to make them a lot. I think, you know, the pressure of being mom, it's sometimes too hard to handle. So my favorite thing was to make myself a cocktail after I put kids to sleep. I mean, why not? If you are, you know, like so stressed all day, you just need to, I don't know, it just makes me feel relaxed. I know there's many ways to feel relaxed, no alcohol involved, but I'm an old school girl, and in the end of the hard day, I need a cocktail, really. It's also very good for summer. It's very refreshing. I'm squeezing the juice. You see, the process is not easy. It requires a lot of time, a lot of work. You can see my muscles are working hard, but it is worth it. I think whatever is easy, don't go with it. Go with something that takes time to make. And believe me, no one gonna make you a cocktail like this except of me and 3 Michelin star restaurant in New York. So that's something to think about it. And I'm sharing this secret with you because, you know, we're friends. And you follow me, and you're gonna like my video, and you're gonna comment, right? That's what friendship is about. Okay. Oof. So that's how I treat my guests. Like, I make sure they have the best. Oh, okay, that was the last one. Woo! Now we have freshly squeezed grapefruit juice, like super freshly squeezed, I would say. Okay, gin. I like Hendricks gin, you know, just prefer it. We're gonna make, so big one. It's 4.5, whatever it is. It's a bit strong, yeah. So to make it less strong, I will just add splash of soda at the end. This cocktail goes with yuzu, but unfortunately I don't have yuzu. I have lemon. So yuzu is just like basically Japanese lemon, but I love the flavor. But as I don't have the Japanese lemon, we're gonna use regular lemon. And you got the idea. I got this recipe from Fear the Nature, that's okay, it's gonna grow. From the Japanese restaurant. Okay, little bit, so it's not too sour. Simple syrup. So here I cannot advise you how much you want to put it. Just put it as much as you want. I prefer it not too sweet, not too sour. I mean, you try. You wanna more sweet, just put more. That's it. Oh, ice. Ice. Ooh. Ice is the most important here. We want it very, very, very cold. So we're gonna put a lot of ice. And my favorite part, I think if I ever had to find another job, I will be a bartender because it's so cool. Look. Yeah. I can do it forever. Okay. Now, I have a glass with very big ice inside. That's how I prepare it. See, you guys. And we're just gonna pour very cold cocktail here. And on the top, of course, garnish. We always put some garnish on the top. It's fancy. And we're gonna put just grapefruit peel. And look what I'm doing. I'm like squeezing it above, so the cocktail gets the flavor. I love it. Let me know. I want to know if you make this cocktail. Comment, and you can follow me on Instagram as well to know more about my life. Bye.